Dollar Tree has their July 4th decor out in full force. In this video, I'll share with you some great finds as well as a few DIYs that'll help you celebrate America's birthday. Since Dollar Tree increased their price to $1.25, they also increased the quality of the products they have in their stores. I think so many of these wall decor pieces are perfect as is. I really loved this piece. Not too much glitter, and I especially liked the bike, which gives a more subtle nod to the patriotic theme. When I first walked in the store, they had these adorable gnomes on the end cap. And I looked at them and walked away, but when I saw them again on the aisle, I knew I had to get them. I'm not the biggest fan of gnomes, but these were so cute, and I knew that they'd be a great addition to my July decor. I really like to find pieces that are made up of smaller pieces that I can repurpose. Although I wasn't a big fan of this truck, I did like the word sign below it. I also picked up this star wall hanging and knew I could use those stars in a DIY project. I used a wreath ring that I had on hand and painted it with 2 coats of blue paint. It is a bit small, so if you're inspired by this DIY, you might want to pick up the larger wreath frame that the Dollar Tree carries. I pulled the stars off the burlap ribbon and decided that the ribbon would make a nice addition to the wreath. However, I also knew I didn't have enough of it to go all the way around the frame, so I left a gap where the stars would be placed. I did have this more narrow burlap ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, and added it between the space of the large ribbon, which I think was a great addition. I removed the word sign from the truck and hot glued the sign to the wreath, followed by the stars. I finished by adding a jute hanger saved from another project. While I do think this is too small for my front door, I think it'll be a great addition to my wall decor. I love to experiment with painting techniques. This sign was purchased several years ago from Hobby Lobby, and I decided to do a combination of red and blue and blend the 2 colors together in the middle. At first, I tried to blend with a dry brush in an attempt to keep the red and blue from blending too much, but it wasn't working very well, so I ended up getting the sponge brush wet, maybe a bit too wet, to better blend the 2 colors. I was reminded when I did this that blue and red make purple, which was not actually part of my vision, but I wasn't unhappy with it. I finished off the piece by dry brushing it with a bit of white, and I especially liked how the white caught in some of the open spaces of the laser cuts. Be sure to watch to the end for another July 4th experiment that did not go quite as planned, but did teach me some valuable lessons. Anytime you come across these bead strings, buy them. They're a great addition to your decor as is, and you also can cut the string and reuse the beads and the tag at the bottom for other projects. And how fun are these paper products? Cups with straws, and even hot dog boats for your July 4th barbecue. If you're looking for a quick and easy table decor piece, pick up this USA ribbon and 3 of the balloon weights. Remove the letters from the ribbon, hot glue them to the weights, and easy peasy lemon squeezy, you have a fun festive addition to your table or shelf. However you decorate for July 4th, the Dollar Tree has you covered. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a quality day.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.